Okay guys, this time I'll do it. First I'll get the basketball over there. So let me try it again. Okay, once the neighbor is angry, he will blow up the... So I got the basketball, and then you need to guys go over in this part. So you need to... So you guys need to go up here, then use your double jump to go up here. So you need to press this leave button over here. That truck has some lots of things over there, so make sure to press this button. So once the train hits the house, there's a lot of candles over here. To get the candles, you will get over there. There's a fireworks, so you need a candle over there. There's a lot of candles in that house. So why there's the fudge? Okay, so you need to open the switch over here. Now make your active crosshair to be in the side of the switch. Now turn it on. The switch will turn it on. So you need to go to the place that I got earlier. Okay, and you will see there's a toaster over there. So you need to jump over into. So you have to launch yourself over there. Now all you need to do is this house is cracked up open, so at least there's a switch sitting over here. Once this switch is on, this thing will lift over. So you need to turn on this switch and go into this area. Now use your double jump to get in here. Now wait until it works. Once you are here, now grab a thing. At least I have a basketball. Now you have to aim at the direct hit of the window. Shatter this window. The ball will disappear in this area. So once you are small, you need to turn on this switch. This room is so empty, it literally has a switch on it. Once this switch is on, you will get flushed, and there's a lot of umbrellas will come to the roof. Once this switch is on, get an umbrella. I think I missed. Oh no, I missed. I missed. Let me get one of those later. Okay, I got one. So you need to go back to the toaster that we got earlier. So you need to go to the house over there. So see you in the next mission. Subscribe.